Hey everybody, Ray O'Brien here. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. So, I've been very busy in the summertime, especially with a new puppy who pees all the time in the house and out, has to go out constantly. That and we're having our floors done. Not just the one room, the whole damn house! My wife trying to talk me to get rid of all the carpeting, so... Anyways, I'm not doing it, but still there's a lot of honey-do stuff afterwards, and by the time I take the dogs out, I like to watch the sunset with the dogs. By the time I take the dogs out, it's already 9:30. So I have no time. But anyways, I want to show you what things I bought at Woodman's. I want to show you my Woodman's summer haul. Okay, now first thing I did was I got some of the staples I had to get again. This is Patron Citronage pineapple flavor. It's like an orange carousel with Patron in mine to go along with the Patron. And then I was running low on my favorite orange carousel, which is Pierre Ferrand dry carousel. I love this stuff. This stuff is great on Mai Tais. And everybody knows I love my Mai Tais. It was about $28. And then I know I kind of wasn't really thrilled with the Terramana Blanco. So, and everybody else was raving about it. So I thought, you know what, maybe it's the Blanco I don't like. So I tried the Reposado. I figured I'd give that a try. Give that a try, see how it is straight. I'm going to do reviews of these. So Terramana, Reposado. Now I got this at Woodman's, and all the stuff is cheaper at Woodman's. This again was under $30. Then I had to get another bottle of Tuaca. You can see it. I like this stuff. This stuff is only about $20 at Woodman's. Only about $20. It's like an Italian brandy, okay? It's like an Italian vanilla. That's my ice maker drop. It's like an Italian brandy with a vanilla flavor to it. I'll do a review on this too. I'll put this in a few couple of drinks as well. Now also, I got me something from the fernet, or from the Amaro family. This is the fernet branca. Fernet branca is like the national drink of Argentina. They drink like 65% of the stuff, of all the stuff consumed. Anyways, it's got like a minty, sort of minty coffee, like it's 27 different herbs to make up Fernet branca. So I'm going to I have a few things in mind to put with this. And then of course, I had to get me another bottle of Mr. Black. I went through my Mr. Black pretty quickly. I could have sworn it was cheaper at this place. Again, it was like under $30. I thought it was cheaper than that when I first went there, but I was gonna get a few bottles of it, but I was like under 30. Okay, so I just got one for now. Mr. Black. I love Mr. Black because think of Kahlua, but Kahlua is sweet. This does not it's sweet at all. This is great. So, Mr. Black, I'm going to have to put this in a bunch of different drinks. Okay. Then I needed some more Jamaican overproof rum. So I got the Wray and Nephew white overproof rum. It's like 63% alcohol by volume, which means it's 126 proof. So 126 proof. Wray and Nephew white overproof rum from Jamaica. This stuff is excellent. It's got kind of a nice funk to it, you know. You gotta like the funk. I love the funk. This will go good in a few drinks and a bunch of different drinks. There's a bunch of other overproofs I want to get too. Maybe I'll do a comparison of them. So while I was getting rum, I had to stock back up because I got the Real McCoy 3. I got the Real McCoy 3. Now the Real McCoy, he makes rums that are no added sweeteners, no adulterated, nothing. And truth in labeling. So right on the bottles what's inside. So the Real McCoy 3 I got, and then while I was at it, I got the Real McCoy 5, which is a little bit darker. Now I want to get the Real McCoy 15, but I kind of want to keep it under $250, so I don't want to go nuts. Okay, I'll get that next time. But the Real McCoy 5 and the Real McCoy 3, they're two excellent rums from Barbados. I saw this, and I was reading about it, and I thought, you know what, I gotta try this. This is Drumshanbo Gunpowder Irish Gin. Drumshanbo is a town in Ireland. It's made with made with gunpowder tea and exotic oriental spices. This was like $37, so it should be pretty good. We'll try that out. The little logo is like a jackalope. Looks like a rabbit with antlers. Hey, one of the things I forgot to tell you about, I do a one more. I forgot about it because it was in the cooler, St. Brendan Irish Cream. Because I got some cooler behind me down lower here. Let's check that out. Okay. Alright, I poured myself a little snort of this stuff. This stuff, I couldn't pass it up. It's like under $10 for a little bottle. The big bottle was like under $20. But I don't usually drink Irish cream by itself, but sometime one night I had the Costco Irish cream by itself. And it's pretty damn good as a nightcap. I thought I'd get some of the St. Brendan's because it's made with whiskey from the Irishman. And the Irishman is made by the same distiller that makes Writer's Tears, which I gave high marks to. Everybody gets high marks to. So that's some of the liquors that I just bought. I didn't have time to really do too many videos, but I want to at least show you what liquors I bought, and hopes that you'll maybe subscribe and stick around and see what I put this in. I'll tell you all about all these different liquors, and I'll make it into different drinks, okay? So stick with me. I got some good things planned for you, my friend. I'll see you just in time for the next round. See you later. And remember, at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail.